Hey guys, what's going on? It's you, Auntie. I got two brand new sneaker pickups coming in from my good friends over at Hibbett Sports. Want to give a big thank you to Hibbett Sports for gifting these to me. Links to both these shoes will be in the description. Make sure you go check out their website. I've got a huge selection of sneakers on there. They've got awesome clothing, great return policy, great rewards program, got a great app and Instagram page. So make sure you check those links in the description. Now let's get into the shoes. Here we go. I really love this pair. I think maybe one of the most underrated Jordans released this year. It's super clean. It is the Air Jordan Retro 12, Stone Blue, Legend Blue, $190 retail. Even comes with a special box. Like I feel like you don't see that all the time where like a normal, GR Jordan comes with that special cool little box. Got that stone blue right there, so let's crack these bad boys open. Just super, super clean. Maybe one of the cleanest, like I said, one of the cleanest Jordans of the year. Comes with a little stone blue card. So they talk about the color used here. It's indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back to more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences with time and use. The depth and fade of the indigo will reveal a look that is unique to you. So what's cool about these is this material is gonna fade and dye over time. So the more you wear them, the more it's gonna change. So it'll be cool to see over the next couple years what these end up looking like. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, that indigo material is just, it's really, really soft. It just feels like a soft nubuck. And, I'm just curious to see over time, like as you wear them, whether it's your jeans, whether it's the way you turn your ankle, like how it's gonna start to fade. So we do have silver eyelets with the Jumpman on there. Got the Jumpman logo in Carolina blue, mudguard all in white. Just creates a really clean, simple look. You've got the Jumpman on the bottom, the little 23 in Carolina blue. So carbon fiber on the bottom, then pull tabs. So and on the inside too, you have another Carolina blue Jumpman. So overall, just can't get over how smooth these are. I think you could wear them with a ton. These are gonna look great in the fall with jeans. Cool that Jordan Brand did that. It kind of like took a material that is gonna change and fade over time, and that way you can kind of make it your own. Really cool. Next up, pair of New Balances. These are the New Balance 327, and these are really cool. These are like this hybrid of like old school New Balance mixed with current day. So they almost look like old track shoes. Look at that outsole. It almost looks like little Legos. It'd be funny if you could connect actual Legos in there, but look at that. Nice and wide. You got that oversized end, really lightweight. And then even the toe box there just has that totally 70s vibe. So it's cool to see New Balance kind of having fun and kind of creating a new shoe with an old feel. This color here obviously pops with the yellow midsole, big yellow end, different shades of blue. The New Balance logo right there on the tongue. It says the Intelligent Choice 327. Does come with white laces. I kind of think the blue laces might look a little better. Then on the inside right there, New Balance logo. New Balance hit on the inside. Also think it's kind of cool how they didn't include an N on the medial side. It's just nothing. So really, really kind of fun. And even look at that back heel. Comes all the way up, so it kind of protrudes out. So really an interesting shoe overall. Click the link in the description to go shop Hibbett's website. Thanks again. Both these pairs are super, super clean. I'll be rocking these all fall, all winter for sure. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you in the next video. Take care. Peace.